Hello subscribers. We'll come back to our YouTube channel Ships in Port. Today's news as cruise ship Costa Smeralda contacted crane, lifeboat destroyed. Cruise ship Costa Smeralda contacted port crane while berthing at Savona, Italy, on Jan 22. One of ship's portside lifeboats broke off her davits and fell into water, practically destroyed by crane impact and by fall. The ship didn't suffer any damages, crane seems to be damaged. Photos Corriere Maritimo. Cruise ship Costa Smeralda, IMO 9,781,889, GT 185,010, built 2019, flag Italy, operator Costa Cruises.